Hello guys, so today we will learn how to write the rate capability test using MACCOR Battery Tester. This is very common test for the battery testing. So let's jump into the MACCOR software. Here you can see there are many cells. Some of them are active, some of them are completed. You can see here. So on the top there are multiple options. Build test. So we will make a new test from here to write the script. Just click. It will open a new window which have multiple options. So we will choose the new test, and here we can open or save and many more options. Let's choose new test, and here is description. You can write the name of a script, like I am going to write the rate capability test. You can write whatever you want, and then we will write the script. So first step is rest, and the step time, which should be around 5 hours or 10 hours, up to you. I am choosing this, and then I also want to record the step time should be 5 seconds, and similarly I also want to record the voltage fluctuation, each 0.05 volt. So rest is step is complete. Now we will start the loop. So for that, we will choose the do one. So for first C rate. So then we will charge, or you can choose discharge, up to you. It's depending on your battery. I will choose charge and then choose the current. Here you can insert directly the value of current, or you can also use the C rate. It's up to you, depending on your preference. So I am choosing C. Then we should insert the cutoff voltage. Top voltage should be greater or equal to 4.2 for lithium ion batteries. For other batteries, it can be lower or higher. So then we have to record our curve using same steps each 5 seconds. And then we also need to record our voltage fluctuation 0.05 volt. So charge step is completed. So now we need to insert a rest if you want. If you don't like rest in the cells, that's also fine. You can skip this step. You can just directly jump to the discharge. So I am using a rest here. So the rest procedure is same, just like the above step. Sorry, actually I want to insert the rest. So yeah, so rest time should be here. We will choose 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute. I am choosing 1 minute, but you can choose according to your preference, and then record the curve during the rest step, and also voltage fluctuation. Yeah, that's it. And then we have to choose the discharge step, and choose the current and choose the C rate. This is the first C rate. I am using 0.2 C. You can also start from different C rates. Then choose the lower cutoff voltage. It should be discharged, so it should be less or equal to. I am choosing 2.8. And then insert the steps for recording. Also voltage fluctuation. So I have completed discharge. Then again, we need to insert the rest depending on our preference, step time. So remember, this rest during the charge and discharge will not be very long, just like 5 hours. That's just for aging before starting the test. So it's almost completed, rest step. Now we have to create a loop. We have already did do one, charge, rest, discharge, rest, and then we have to create a loop. If there is a do one, we have to choose loop one. Yeah, so we have done how many cycles for this loop? So the cell will cycle for maybe, I am going to insert here 5 cycles. You can insert more cycle, but you don't need to write cycles. I am just writing to show you this is for cycles. So for first C rate 0.2 C, the steps are completed. So now we will use the same things, same data for the next C rate. Only we will change the C rate and do to loop 2 for the next C rate. These two things we are going to change in the rate performance test. You can copy. If you don't like copy, you can also uh, insert the step again. You can paste. Yeah. So above step are copied. We have to change to do to, and this is, and also loop to, because this is second C rate. And also we need to change the C rate, maybe 0.5 C, and also for discharge 0.5 C. So second C rate is also done. I will also keep the number of cycle 5s. So again, we will create another C rate. We will paste our data. And this time we will change from 2 to 3, because do 2 is already done. Do 3, and also loop 3. And we will also change the C rate from 0.1 C to 1 C. Yeah, this is third C rate. Let's create a fourth one. Again, paste. Again, insert do 4 and loop 4, and also change the C rate and choosing 2C. Then according to your requirement, you can change. And I will keep number of cycle 5. Then I will insert another C rate. I will paste like what I did before. So, but remember here that there are only four loops. So we cannot use more than 4. So in order to reuse them, we have to insert another setting, which is advanced cycle. After you insert advanced cycle, you can repeat them 4 times. Do 1, do 2, do 3, do 4. And if you want again, then you can again insert the advanced cycle. So I change to do 1, loop 1, and I change the C rate to 5C. And then again, I will choose another C rate. You can create like as many as you want steps. I will paste again and do 2 and loop 2. Yeah, that's done. And I also need to change the C rate, remember. I can end the test here. I check the error, there is no error. Here is end. So I just did to make sure that everything is right. So this is almost completed. So remember to insert the end at the last loop, after last loop. So I will change to maybe 10C. Also change to 10C. Then for the last, maybe I will keep again return to the low C rate. So this should be do 3 and loop 3. If you want more C rate, then you can keep adding. Now we have completed. For my test, I have completed up to 10C and then I return back to 0.2C. So at 0.2C, I will insert more cycles just to see how it works, my cell works. Then finally end. So in this way, we have already completed and we've checked there is no error found. So you can double check. It's pretty long, but if you write for one C rate and copy paste, then it's pretty easy. But remember to change the do one, loop one, and C rate for each step and number of cycles. So you have to check everything one by one. Do two, loop two. I am double checking. So you can also check do three, loop three, and do four, loop four, and different C rate. And finally, I will insert advanced cycle because loop 4 is last one. So again, we start from the do 1 and loop 1 because there is no more loop or do, only 4 are available for this script. So I have again restarted do 1, loop 1, do 2, loop 2. Yeah. So I also change the C rate. I'm double checking. And finally, again, do 3, loop 3. And in last C rate, I have inserted more cycle. So just collect, no error. Then save it. Write the description and save it. So here you can write again your name, whatever you want, and then save it. Rate capability test. You can use this test, you can modify this test whenever you want. So now I have saved. I will show you how to open. Okay, I will close everything. I will show you again. And here this time you will choose open, not new. Yeah. So here there are many tests for different people. Here you can make any changes, but after making changes, make sure to save. First check for errors and then save it. And if you don't save, yeah, you must insert the saves. Then after that, you can write according to your requirements. So today we learned how to write the rate capability test for the battery testing using MACCOR system. Thank you very much.